The way I was born in Nigeria, grew up in Nigeria, born and brought up. All the days of my life, I spent it in Nigeria.
You come to Nigeria and let us
fight
because of let's fight the cause together. Not you being in America, fighting the cause of Benin. How would that happen? My brother there, ọtẹmẹ ìmàye náà yín pẹ ìpẹ wọn mẹ náà má fò èké yà ní rírí láìrí àgbà orí èrìrì mi yàn èrí bẹ́rì ẹ̀rí tálẹ̀ èrí bẹ́rì ẹ̀rí yà níjó ọtẹmú ẹzọ rẹ sábà mẹ 2 hours mẹ má gbé 2 hours sí police station. You know what, like in life, many Bible, why when you believe it, no? I don't want to go on life for where we kabaka, we yamu, or coffin. I will know where woman allowed fuck up in no chairman. I couldn't give my way. Even a person, I never allowed you. A guy in Undano, a car called Sabo. Maybe I don't tell you, made them one time. Is giving wrong impression to the Benin in diaspora, giving wrong impression to all the Nigerians in diaspora. Spoiling Obaseki government name. You are not on ground. You are not a Benin. You don't even know the road Obaseki have walked now. You don't even know what Obaseki have even done now. You are not on ground. I don't know if you understand.
Okay, sorted. Okay, sorted.
Oh! Yeah, I didn't know to Arabia Basaka. I didn't know. I'm a very commissioner of police here. What we want with base here. So, a guy, the last bus stop here, you know. The last bus stop here, wow, now. Me have said, do, it will be a dog going, no, so no. My wife, party. Now, why I be now. It was a city night. The radio Emila. You know, we don't know, Migo River that of a meeting of Bani and here do. You know, a meeting. Now, if you can do a meeting, we do Yavia River. And now I said, I know Migo River, Meti Arabuna. And now what I'm on name, my wife Barona Lawu. A guy now, Undano, Kabi, I've been brought to FBI of America. Emma Noapa. A train, I tell you, allowed in a way, I motor going in my wife drive, Manaki drive 5 hours to Torino. A Torino, 5 o'clock the next morning. M.A. Areba, me meeting in Ado, near Mekina Areba. Me here, a meeting in Ado, there are no Migo Wavi police in the Libya meeting. If you're Nigerian, not a fee, go, we meeting in, not a the Bayan or Nibu Mohammed Figo, Bame police river. You might not understand. And now we got now to Betty, that if you do so, now we are ready the meeting, in a move by the meeting. Babe, we know yes, we know you can be what. Merene and I go, maybe I will be at 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock, Bayari. Maybe he was that hotel, or may say 30 minutes. The police do have so good. Make careful, you know me, buy a good police. About Calabi, Mary, Magic Calabi. Yeah, they need a passport. Yeah, we passport in a phone well in avion. Yeah, we did Lily and Maria station. He killed a lower, I take call out him here. Come up, Barry Hotel. You're dropping me. You're not you what. Me ogie my yari, my light only with 5 o'clock. I need to sleep. Hey, me worry, monkey, but up on me work here, you'll be a yari, man. They didn't want to have to go. I say, where I want to complain where terrorism. They want to go into my phone, near the terrorism. And I will anything or when you worry. And I will, well, I don't want no water, it's not to be wherever now. One guy near here, an amigo, Mega Combre Clement. You know, because that guy contested the election in my place and lost that. So since he lost that, he has been insulting all the dignitaries in Benin, including me, calling me all sorts of names. Telling you people I'm a bad person. I don't know where he's getting it from. And I'm okay. I said, do no cool me, Megaro way, or that from Vietnam. On my word, on a lawyer to one, you're not really. May la, you're not a good story, man. If I need a cocoa do it, that the meeting, even a note of Urumi was there. One boy, no man, a man here, you have a boy Italy, here I am here. A boy, any, or Mulele on Amigo, Aria, police station. You are talking with Obi terrorists. The man don't understand. Where they make money? He went too far. Avec Beku, avec Beku, Abaya. I had no one or two, your own brother, we had do. Who are police who are when a case terrorist is he a billable case in the world? A brava declarant as a terrorist now. A case in Ayakuni here. And I have Bomawani. I ran a Migo Material case in me. He ain't telling me a women or better Salobama Queen. The Italian government evade you born here because they try.
Oh, we are very fine.
They don't tell me since my lawyer is here, they will release me to my lawyer. Then my phone. They cannot give it back to me. No problem. I mean, I will 3 days. They me wrong. Me am a proof. Me am proof. I am a keep back. I be again. Me I travel with back. Obviously, I make back. And I'm lawyer. And I'm lawyer. Okay, I need to go back because my ticket now to leave here back to Greece back to Nigeria. So I don't know if I will have the opportunity to travel. I will need Sunday Bokbani and I Sunday Bokbani. So when you say you can, you way a phone, yeah, investigation for them. Yeah, be on a Otamenoku, no really. Then he only be a good in Nigeria. He never even phone. A case in our colony. And I know Migo went too far. If you do agree, if you do the man, if they quarrel, once they see each other for abroad. My brother, I meant it, right? Once they see each other for abroad. They go forget waiting play. They go embrace each other. We are here. I cook winner and I don't understand. Amigo to went and start to this leg with me. This guy, a freedom fighter, a personal issue where you take a personal. I will put the bottle on the Marine and Amigo now. Me again, me boy, me Adamio. Urovie, Adamio, Urovie governor, Urovie ex-governor, Urovie commissioner of police, Urovie all the dignities in Benin. Who are you men with Tony Kabaka? You have called Tony Kabaka to rise against this political embezzlement, political terrorism. So, Mary video ni. And there are no amigo no guana here America. Emani Robia Meguya River. Any mame near Ume, ya Edoma, ya video boy. Where Warobi money will yet to do. And when I raise with him, Yana, he had me a problem through this thing. He had me on, he had your winner. You got there. I went in time. Or we got no
you problem.
When my mother will come back on a room will come back. Oh, I baby, social media. A Kabaka, and then Manima may when I go near a follow a video. Hey, Guegua, Manu, when you go on a 20,000 view. A manga, I know you young man. Now I wrote one after we bomb who walk your body. A guy now is one, I said. A compliment. Give I a then a guy now is one, I said. Inam with Bible. Hello. Attack with them enough.
Yeah.
A guy now maybe your man. He might go on there. No, Salopua. Yeah, I go on. Oh, it's been a young free. It's been a reno. He might go on. A family are on a week bomb here. No lad, I had 10 million.
Maybe hear my voice.
No one lad, I had 10 million. No, Yala, then he may have 50 days. My bomb, I'll go out and make one about. And why are you?
Hello?
Imagine you
20 euro.
20
euro don't go.
Maybe I'm winning a Mama Queen and winner. When are you, my argument?
You are talking to
Today, man, is very man. Maybe a kill life. Well, you tell do, maybe Yanni and
Amen. I greet you, my brother.
you tell do, ni boom, Yanni.
Dorichi.
Man,
But
we all go,
in the life now.
I mean, no man,
In the talk for life, so just give like this kind
of like 15,
20 minutes. No cover.
Because of the wrong depression in money. Every maybe a cabacana and one tamano, a cabacana, a year, a year week bear, a mammy no eating bear, a mammy no eating more. I don't know if you understand me. So the thing was not getting too much. And no, you may be going kicking and carry travel. May worry, Papa, may not tell you. I don't want to be Kabaka, and the money gay. The money gay. I don't know if you understand me. And the family money who anyway to our Papa. I don't know. Or remember my behavior. I'm a guy now, always nonsense. I don't know if you understand. Well, every new woman now get move. I can't go ball. I don't know if you understand me. A guy now, we only live on Sapon, we are recover 50 million. He now recover gold at 100 million. A guy in America. A court is believe do. In a solar right TV, in a IG or Inspector General Police, again, harass or whatever, a parase. In a way, a dog, a magulo for a do. In no way, it's Ladian, very also Ladian, Eranomigo America. And I don't understand. Ame mu ne manama keke ye mi ni amau moveladia de nu emane mi wu erano migo America ogbini binedo if no you are the mesero or e wrong depression ni emu e bate do we ma kedore o teme advice e do we kere na le do aye e do ma ye kwere me make no na mi e ya no talo
I see the talk you go see film
and secondly second nepa no la no teme etu we da kedore na etu we da kedore vedo aye
nothing dey happen for Benin.
don't let me understand
Safety, nothing dey happen.
okay na emi no te ye do nyo oba osafure yo no pa no ma we te gbi na yin ma na te gbi na every second a government we suffer yo wa la do ye kwere we ma la ring road ma la te junction my brother me me governor no ye Baba Seki apart from Osomole Obaseki me ye wo or break record because only when I wa bu erere ye ma do well or ma do well maybe you are one politician and one thing he you try to complain you know do very well you we Obaseki your man the governor man tell you know malari èmi náà yẹn gbogbo ẹ̀yin pé a wà wá rùlẹ̀ nígbà náà wà mú wínà ní wàá bá mọ́nà ọba jẹ́ kí èmi náà o let him manage everybody ìmọ̀ náà nà sàn ọ̀hún ẹ̀dẹ̀ náà yà fi wẹ̀ yà fún un náà because wà wá fún ẹ̀rẹ́ yọ wà á fi lè dì í because small time Tony Kabaka versus Kaba Tony Kabaka versus Roger Floyd Tony Kabaka versus Trevor Weapons versus wrong depression and then over there you say they na no migo dey dia any and it no man sala Anywhere you play, you must go back home. This is where you are making mistakes. I don't know if you understand. You will talk to chief, you will insult everything. Is it by insulting people that will make your NGO move forward? All the people that I saw that is fighting NGO, no one has ever concentrate on human being and insulting him. They fight for the goodness of the Benin. They do your own it is. Omobude have been fighting for the Benin. Omobude, one activist, we have here, one black guy is in Nigeria, in the Edo State, your own place. This guy have never insisted, we have been fighting justice. Also with Jono Sage. Jono Sage is, hello my brother, Jono Sage is collecting from Peter and Paul, from his own pocket to help the needy. You just insulting people, you think that is the way you can succeed. You are going far now. You are going to lose all the case that you pledged against me. You are going to bring the family that have killed before, that have killed a son. You will bring it out. You will bring that where you see me as a terrorist. Economy. You don't supposed to go to that land. In another man's country, and it's not available thing. You know what is made as a terrorist? That is a strong case. It's cover. First allegation, you could kill your own fellow brother. If we are maybe in the country that terrorist is dead without investigation, will I come out of that one? I don't know if you understand. Terrorist is like people that is making the country ungovernable. So their sentence is dead. They are not even one back. As I speak, my phone is ready for me. My country cannot arrest me if I'm a killer, if I'm a terrorist. Where I stay for a visit. And if I think all these things, I don't want to back. If I get home now, I will go and Ogonoba, the AY Ogidigan, about top, I will go and explain what happened to me. I didn't even see him now to say you and somebody jam or you met in one meeting. Aaron Omigo were in the what's that city that you know? Reggio Emilia. I was in Torino.
Torino.
Because of Aaron Omigo, I left. Because I don't want both of us to meet. Still yet. Ask people that is in Reggio Emilia now. A lot of Benin boys believe that were with me, they were there. When they were doing that activity, ask them if I was on ground. If I see Aaron Omigo, that is, and God be using me. People were begging me, Chairman, let's just go to this meeting. From this meeting, you and this man will settle. I said, no, I don't want to attend this meeting because I didn't came to this town because of this meeting. To start with. Greece where I'm coming from, this same meeting caused problem there. Some people rise up, some people were sitting down. I said, so I don't want to be part of it. Really, the same thing repeated in the same meeting they went to. They said that they were praying, they now brought cola. They know they now point out the cola. The next, because the Benin people were there, Ishan were there. The next thing is supposed to take the cola, the person that brought the cola, give it to a Benin man, the senior man here in Benin to break it. Normal interdiction. It caused problem in Greece when I was in Greece. I didn't even attend it. Was that there with you people?
No.
But when I came, you people told me. The same thing happened in Italy. Everybody rise up and walk away in that meeting. The Benin. I don't know if you understand. If we are doing things, let's do things straight. As a father, like my Noge of Urumi, I want to point out something. Sorry, Enoge, may God bless you, may God long may you reign. This thing, you will not tell me that you are not aware of this man's arrest. He cannot tell me. Instead of it, no. Let me come back. You as somebody with respect, we must listen to you. You bring both of us together. But I was not in the town there. Still yet, they cooked the case. One boy, I will remember the boy's name. I will tell the Benin, the boy that took Aaron Omigo to Italian police. The boy is Ishan boy. I don't just know what happened. Thank God I was not in that meeting. If I were in that meeting, all his alleged would just be perfect. Because I just say, Iranomigo have come to Italy before now. He have left. I don't know if you understand. He have left. Because I watch it on social media when some people get up away from the meeting that they cannot hold the whatever that they wanted to do in Italy. He went back to America. I didn't even know that Iranomigo is coming back to Italy. On my own, don't go back to me and come my own journey. Let me come relax. I don't see time to relax because of Iranomigo. You insult our people for Benin when they do well. I say no, they put my name. Now by force they take the drag person enter NGO. Because now here, now fit up. Now here, now give me visa. Boy. Now the because his wife now Benin. We take quick response, we come pay me with lawyer. That family they too try. Now God will bless them. Benin people, I see what they do on my behalf. I was watching response. I see Iranomigo. I thought they eat for us. Iranomigo they show on life. Say me the police custody. Say me don't confess. Eh? How can them? Oh, but if not be say the way people call it put pressure on me, that can't make me come alive. Because if you see life where I do, I was tipsy. Because that thing can't make me drink. I was crying when I was doing that video. Yes. Because of a whole fellow brother. This is height of evil. Height of evil. Believe that know me, that know my heart. No, I don't have this kind of evil heart that Iranomigo has. The real people that know me, I don't just know. And some people is accusing me along with Iranomigo. Some are supporting. I don't know. You that is supporting Iranomigo, can you please come out openly and point at this is who you kill? I will give you 10 million. Anybody that is supporting him. When we were talking on the media, when Abat was online, he said, yes, Kabaka, I was afraid. I was listening. What did this boy want to talk? What did I don't do? As the boy was talking, he said, some boys, they do anything, they say, na Kabaka boys. My brother, if your name good, people going to use them. Why they not use your own papa name? May they say, I be Montignan Peking. Now, because my name be, if I be bad person, they're going to use my name. My brother, Nigeria is the most intelligent police we have in the world because they are moving with the good, the bad, and the ugly. I don't know if you understand. So my police cannot arrest me. My military or police cannot arrest me, please. Soldier. So it's Italian government that give me terrorism. I will beg the Edo people, please, even with my excellency, please. I just came back, I just arrived. I need to relax, but I'm not with my phone. I cannot even communicate with my family. I cannot even talk to nobody because of, man, this thing. I beg you all, please, support me in this cause. If I'm an evil man, let me go and suffer for it. If I'm not, anybody that has come out in social media that has supported Iranomigo saying, yes, I did this. Anytime you come to this country, you will prove it to the law enforcement agency. I will follow you with due process and due protocol. Due process and due protocol. I will engage you with my lawyers. I will fight it till infinity. So that anytime I win the case, you go out there, if you don't want to be jailed, or you go out there and tell the world the truth. My brother, is it a joke for somebody to carry a Bible, challenging God Almighty that created it? They were pushing me. They wanted to use me to offend my own God. Because I was challenging God. Because I know my mind. I check my mind. Have to still yet. This guy is not still okay. Satisfied. I thought that one would touch him. He would say, somebody swaying with God. If you are not afraid of God, I will see what you are afraid of. Since you are not afraid of God, I've used God home. You said, man, what I use is dictionary. I will also bring that the same dictionary. I will also follow any length with you. I don't know what I've done to this Iranomigo. Giving wrong impression about Benin, about Edo State, and you are living in America. And the same foolish followers, they are still supporting you. Why can't you? Is it everything that they told you or they tell you is truth about Benin? I just keep not imagine a Benin where a king that has a principle, that a man with discipline. You cannot mess up there now. I don't know if you understand. Everybody have comported themselves in Edo State. Edo is a peaceful place. This man come here. The governor himself, that one is doing his own. He didn't have time for nobody. No politician will tell you in that Benin now that he has seen Obaseki. He's working. He doesn't have time. He said there's time for a politician wanted to start in Lagos State. They were saying this between today. These are the kind men, they work in Lagos, he work with them. We need to streamline. Why Kabaka is not shouting that, yes, Obaseki did not give me work. Hey, I do this, all the campaign. I went to Edo State 2 times. I did not complain. I mean, I'm indoor. If you labor well, you must be recognized. I don't know if you understand. It's not by you going there or shouting, making noise that will give you empowerment. This encouragement I'll be giving my youth. Iranomigo. People keep complaining that don't call it. It's his name. Mega Clement. And Degbe. I don't know what they are doing. Benin people, where they support them, where they diaspora, where not they Benin with us. And they tell una, make una not they believe in Iranomigo. Make una not they believe in Iranomigo. Iranomigo. Now, thank God, my brother just come from Benin. Not be safe 3 days ago. Benin, everywhere, but everybody. Enjoyment. I don't see the enjoyment for where they Benin pass anywhere. Boys are busy, they are doing things. Just carry the name of Benin. Now, so this one do this. Now, so they go just they insult our dignities. We don't contribute so well. Now, that one pay me pass. He go still put my name. Iranomigo. So tell me, can they fear? May I know this man? Not can go trigger people. May they come they reach me as another thing. My brother.
What you plan? I go use the
see ring road. Where you see as I work for ring road that day, people they pass follow me. They say na him be Kabaka, na him be Kabaka. Now that one people they look oh. Now they tell them, me I not be killer, I never kill for my life. If I don't kill anybody for any family, Benin big now. May the family come. Say, my pikin, if you forget yourself, now you kill so time. The case where the gateway happened for Lagos State. I went throughout the case, judgment, everything. The judge will judge my case, not be a judge of Benin. Chief judge. I don't know if you understand. I know that there was something happen. People here say butter happen. Everything, they follow the procedure. I spent a year and 6 months between life and death. Now I'm not ready to coordinate you, even though you get anything before. I don't know if you understand. Before they come and say, I don't get harm, they discharge me and I'm acquitted. I don't know if you understand. See them, my brother. You know they concern me, concern person. The only time we don't see concern me, concern person, either would they give us work. We not feel fall down now, say we not get work. I don't know if you understand. I feel I don't understand now. We feel up there, I don't get, we not get work. With the followers who are there with me. They give me work. The company governor pronounced, say, I give you a Akugbe. Along the line, some unions say we not go work. From there, go, we concentrate ourselves. After go, do we need that go before? Everybody do your own. Now Obaseki see now say, no. If I don't too much, I just stop all revenue. As I talk, I know how many boys they my neck where they spend for. I know how many boys I use my work bless. I can testify to that. I can point out. I don't want to mention it. I don't know if you understand me. Iranomigo will just come out. All is going to swear my name. You know what pains me so much again? The Benin youth. If you know one on both you in diaspora, I've helped you in any way. Come out. this is time for you to talk about Kabaka. Because some people that don't know me, they are looking me from distance. Some do see me in TV. I don't know if you understand. They don't know me. Do you know I was having stress? I want to give this now. This one should be the eyes, ears of everybody in the world. You know they were telling my own family after a clearing route. I went there to go and do good work. Nobody give me 1 naira. I'm saying it live. I went there to assist the Edo State Weight Management Board because they cannot achieve it. Oloye went there, he couldn't achieve it. My brother, Chief Olukoga, went there. They didn't allow him to achieve it. Mutari went there. They didn't allow him to achieve it. The landlord and landlady held a meeting that it's only Kabaka that can do this. Once Ringo is clear, the rest place is okay. They can do it. I even said it that day. I said, Pa, this message won't want to send me now. Don't want to narrate me again. Not be this kind of work I fight for government. He said you will go to one and government sell you. No option. I guess I don't know if you understand. I mean where the person they work, they'll just send you message. Now go clear ring road. Today now, people they pass ring road. I don't know if you understand. If you stand for ring road, you they see him. After that, they say me I go there. Now say Baba, I beg my pa. I said Baba, I beg ring road don't clear. Once they don't hear say ring road clear, the rest people go they move, even though I tell Johnson, because they know ring road be the heartbeat, even though I new be. And so I take one come enter house, go face my business. Nobody don't hear my word for Benin. Many generals, no one will never go jail, we don't misbehave. No one will never go to prison. Kabaka never go at the Benin. I don't know if you understand. Man must use his sense now, B. If you are in Rome, you act as a Roman. This governor not they tolerate. People, I tell you, generals, we work with them. He comport all of them with prison. I'll be saying, me myself, I know say yes. Once you see a person where no say in a lion, you shift for him. Because yes, may work. If something touch his mind, say you work for him, he will call you. Not take the asshole. Nobody don't hear my voice for Benin. I just tired. I don't know where Ranomigo for the see me killing. Where they for key. Now so I kill this one. Now so I go kill one woman. I dey tell the world now. If any family dey we say me Tony Kabaka kill a pikin, he go fit prove am. Me I never go court make it come show the world. I'll give them 10 million. I'll give them 10 million. I don't know if you understand. I'll give them 10 million. Because you just carry, okay, where I want to go key? I be na not I go key, I be where I go key now. Where me no know. Not be Benin there say key. May one family come out. May one family come out and say Kabaka don't key.
That's
I go give her. It make one family come out for me. Say my pikin die to some time. Na Kabaka kill am. I'll give the family. I will go in for it. I go as in may law hold me if the fee prove am. Then the 10 million I dash am. It not that word we can't talk. We fee prove. I'll dash am 10 million. I'll go suffer put. If anybody dey. They don't know me go you carry donkey preach. They tell people na so Obaseki, they send me, na so Obaseki they you. Man. My brothers, it's what Obaseki win governor. I want to tell you now to win. As I walk rich. Since what Obaseki win governor, I never see him read 2 times. He never reach 1 year where we don't do election now. I never see governor read 2 times. See, after the old general everything, once I don't see him. Obaseki not be governor where you see like that. Talk let me and they talk anything. Me they even they say my own don't too take. They want never empower me and my boys. And I know me go see they do it on journal. If I read Benin, I go cry to Omonoba, the Oba of Benin, the father of the land, the Messiah of our time. I will cry to him. Baba, may you summon me and an amigo. Mo come your palace. Mo come Vogunba, mo chocolate. Me and an amigo who don't kill for life, who don't frustrate people. And an amigo say they help. I don't see anybody who don't help of me. I not see anybody. I not see anybody. You feel can't Abats don't try. You feel can't Omobu they don't do. You feel can't many people where they grant say don't see help. You understand? But I don't know where he for help. All his life is from Uronigbe to America. From Uronigbe to America. We gonna enter street one day. He go come they insult me. Me will grow for Oredo. He will be village champion. Go come they talk nonsense about me. He go prove him. He go prove him. Because he don't too much. I be they quiet. And people where they tell me, say Tony Kabaka, now they come out for media. I blame Una well. Una know me what I know they contribute. Eh? This man they swear my name. He got almost 2,000 enemy followers. He they talk differently about me. I deal with Una for Benin. Una know me well. Una know me. If I had anything, bring it up. Una know fit talk. They go hold this one for waiting. No. Kabaka go back for them. They go do this one. That day, I dey house. My brother wife crack on, Brad Kokoma. Your wife crack on, say see what happen. I follow her and say, may I go know what happen for station. You know understand? If they arrest person, you go know. Bright, I never see her for like 2 years. I said, may I go there, woman wey we speaking, crack on, say something happened to your husband. I be to go confirm whether not true. Whether they want use and rubber me, you know. Now so I take go there. Who say may I go there? Meet there, begin the carry. Say na me and Bright, man.